So this is without a doubt the laziest way to start dropshipping right now that actually works. And the best part about this is that you don't need to pay for any ads, you don't need to build a website, and you'll literally have hand-picked winning products handed to you. So in this video, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do it. Now, the first thing we have to do is we have to find products to dropship. And the key with this is you want to find products that are already doing well. That's the lazy way of doing this. The harder way would be trying to reinvent the wheel, trying to introduce new items to the marketplace and like hope that they're going to do well. But again, we're trying to be lazy here. So let's actually just look for products that are already popular and selling well. So I'm jumping into my product research software. And there's a lot of different ways that we can use this to identify winning products, but I'm going to use the laziest tools on here. The first one is this section right here. This is the trending products section. And what this will do is this will just give you products. You don't have to do any searching. You don't need to do any sort of filtering. They are giving you products that are successful. So right here, I can see that we have this, I don't know, some sort of salmon thing right here. This is like a multi-pack, and this has about a $14 profit. You can source this directly from Amazon by clicking here. Now, all these products that we're going to be looking at, these are going to be sourced from retail websites like, for instance, Amazon.com. And the reason we're doing that is because that just makes it a lot easier. If you're looking for wholesale suppliers to dropship, that does work. However, it requires a lot more work to get set up and running. You have to contact them, get agreements with them, and even just finding them can be difficult. Let's just do what's easy. We're going to dropship from like Amazon or Walmart.com. It's very straightforward and simple. So we found that one product, or the software found it for us. We also have this sanding belt right here. This is for like for sanding. This has about a $6.87 profit. And again, I can click right here and find it right over on Amazon.com. And as we see right here, this is sold over 120 times. So $6.80 profit may not sound like a lot, but all you have to do is list this product once and it will sell over and over and over and over again. So that's the first lazy tool I use with this software. The second one is called the Autopilot Tool. And what this does is this allows you to put in all the criteria you're looking for, and it will just find the products for you. So if I click right here where it says Start New Scan, I can put in that criteria. So I'm saying here I want products that can be sourced from Walmart, that have at least 5 reviews of at least 4 stars, and at least 5 sales with a minimum price of $20, and then click Create Scan. I've already done that here. So these are the results right here. And we can see that they give you just tons of these products, and you can see exactly how well they're doing. So for instance, this right here, this is a outdoor wood burning fire pit, right? So this one has sold 7 times in total, has a very high sell-through rate. You can get it at a nice price and still sell it for a nice markup. Here's another one right here. So I would just go through every single one of these products and do the same thing. The fire pit, the tire, this luggage right here, this tent. I don't have to search for them. The products are given to you. This is a lazy way of finding these products. Now, the next step after this would be to actually find this on our supplier's website. Now, if you want to try this software out for yourself, I'll have my affiliate link for them in the description of this video. Now, if you use that link, you will get an extended trial for just $1. So you can try out the software and see if it's for you. And then there's also a discount when you actually pay for it if you do enjoy the software. But I like it a lot. I think it really helps me find lots of winning products very, very quickly. All right, so next step is, okay, let's say we found a good product we want, like this outdoor burning fire pit. So let me go ahead on my supplier's website and actually find something similar now. So I came over to Amazon and I just searched for outdoor wood burning fire pit. And I'm going to look for something that looks similar to this one. I don't want an exact match because then I'll be competing with the people that are already selling it. But I want something that's similar looking. And then of all the ones that look similar, I'm going to sell the one that's the cheapest. So I see actually a lot of great results here. But let me try to find something that looks a little bit similar, more similar, like this one. This is pretty spot on right here. It's $54. Is there anything that may be a bit cheaper? I'm not seeing it. These are, here we go, $49.99 right here. This is a pretty higher priced item, or I say medium priced item. So I think that's probably the cheapest we're going to get is $49.99. So this is the one that I actually want to list into my own store. And then again, I would just go through all the products on Zeek and do the same thing of finding the cheapest one that still has good reviews and is pretty close looking to the product that we see is doing well over here on the software. So next up, we need to decide where it is we are going to be selling our products. Now, you can sell and dropship on your own website. However, that requires a lot of work. You have to pick a domain, you have to build the website, you have to drive traffic to it. And I'm too lazy to do that. You're too lazy to do that. So let's look at a much easier way of doing this. And that's by selling on a marketplace like eBay.com. And what I love about marketplaces is that you can get set up and running in like an hour or less. All you have to do is come over here to eBay, click on the top right here where it says register, and go ahead and sign up for an account. This doesn't take long to do at all. And then you can start selling products. There is an option when you're signing up to have a paid eBay account. You don't need that. I would stick with the free plan, save yourself some money, and just run with the free account for now. Later on, you can add in the paid account because there are some benefits to it. But for now, just stick with the free one. And then you can literally have an eBay account set up in like 45 minutes or less, very, very quickly. And once you have an account and start listing products, you don't have to pay for advertising. You don't have to drive traffic to your listings because there are already customers on here shopping for items. You just have to put the items in front of them and they'll buy it. All right, the next step is you want to list this product for sale on eBay. Now, the old way of doing this that required a lot of work is we used to have to download all these images and then upload them into a listing on eBay, copy and paste the title, the description, do some math to take the price and increase it. But we're not going to do any of that. We're going to keep this very, very lazy and simple. I'm going to show you how I use this software right here to automate all of that and a lot more. Let me show you how it works before I tell you what this software is. So I'm logged into my software. I already have it set up. It's linked with my eBay account. So now I can click on the top left here where it says add a single product. I'll choose my eBay store. I'll then come back to this product on Amazon and I'll just copy down the URL. Come back over here and paste that URL in here and click on the orange button. Now that's grabbing all of the information from Amazon, like the photos, the description, the title, and it's bringing it into the software. Now that it's here, I can come in and edit this however I want. But luckily, I don't need to change that much. It automatically selects a good category for me. It automatically adds tags. It automatically selects the cheapest shipping option. And it automatically turns on these monitors, the stock, price, and auto order monitors. What those do is after I list this with the software, it will now check Amazon like every hour or something like that, maybe even more often. And if it sees that this price changes, well, it's going to update it on my eBay store for me. If this item goes out of stock, it will automatically go out of stock in my eBay store for me. That way I never sell an item that's out of stock. And when I sell the item, I actually make a profit because it also takes this price and marks it up automatically for me to cover my eBay fees and any other expenses I have. So it does all of that heavy lifting for me. It also brings over the description. If there's different variations, like different sizes, I can sell all of those, all the images. So you see, it just does it all for you. And once you have everything the way that you want, you just have to click through and then that item will be live in your eBay store. From there, this software will automate the rest of it for you, everything from the price changes to the stock level changes, even the orders as well. So anytime someone orders this item, the software will automatically order it from Amazon for you and have it shipped directly to your customer. So if you want to try this software out for yourself, you can also get an extended trial of this software for just $1 by clicking the second link in the description down below. Now, what I found is that once you have this system set up, all of that is going to be run for you automatically. And all you have to do is actually feed items into the system. By that, I mean coming over to the first product research software I showed you, finding these products, putting them into the automation software, and having those items be added into your store and into the automation flow. If you can do that, just feeding the beast, you'll really see your store grow, and make you more money while you just sit back and do very little. And if you further want to be even more lazy with this, you can go ahead and hire virtual assistants that can actually find the products for you, put them into the software. That way you can do absolutely nothing and just let the entire system work for you while you sit back and just make some profit. So there you go. That's A to Z, the laziest way to start dropshipping this year that actually works. If you want to try this out for yourself, make sure to click on the links in the description down below to try out the software. There's also some other great resources in the description of this video as well, so definitely check those out. Then make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.